Mint leaves work well as a mild astringent agent that helps to tone your skin naturally. It is potent to clear off the dead cells, removes the dirt from the pores and revamps your skin to a smoother, supple and well-hydrated tone. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY face mask for combination skin. You will need curd 1 teaspoon, it is beneficial for all skin types. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of curd are magnified due to the presence of turmeric. It clears your face and makes it bright and glowing. Multani Mitti 1 teaspoon. Multani Mitti possesses both hydrating and oil-absorbing properties, and thus works well for combination skin types. Mint powder 1 teaspoon. It also retains the moisture in your skin by tightening the pores. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste and apply all over your face. Wash it off with plain water.